History will be made today. I'm gonna change the bearings on the Yaris because it broke. On my last trip, like a howling noise, and I just don't want to take any chances. 150,000 miles, hauling that bike in the back of this Yaris. I think it deserves new bearings, right? So let's put them on.
Remove the rear wheel. Remove the drum. With a 40mm socket, remove the 4 bolts through the holes. Careful not to damage the brake line. Do not remove the entire mechanism. Just need access in the back. Use WD-40 to loosen it up. Use a screwdriver through the holes for the bolts to pry it out. And it will pull out. New versus old. Insert a new bearing assembly. It goes only one way in. Add blue Loctite to the bolts, not red. Maybe you have to take them out. Reinstall the bolts through the exact same holes. You have to tighten them to 75 foot-pounds or like 18 Newton meter thing. Anyway, America, foot-pounds. Reinstall the drum. Well, hopefully your brake is good by now. If not, do some work on your brake, but mine were good. Reinstall the wheel and tighten it to 75 foot-pounds on my manual, but it could be 80, whatever car you have, might have more. And you're done. Do the same thing on the other wheel, because this comes in a set. Thanks for watching.